Now that we have a system in place to store our files, what we can start doing now is creating our notebook files with the Smart Notebook software. To do this, you need to locate the icon that's on your desktop. Now, you might be in a situation where you don't have a desktop icon for a shortcut to get to the Smart Notebook software. You can still get to the Smart Notebook software by going to Start, All Programs, Smart Technologies, Smart Notebook 10, which is the software that you're going to use to create the Smart Notebook files. Uh, Once you locate this shortcut, go ahead and double click it to open up the file. This is going to be temporary. This is just initially when they installed Smart Software, they had a trial version of their math tools. You can see there's 10 days remaining. Don't worry about that. Just click OK. Once the Smart Notebook software opens, one of the first things that you're going to want to do is make sure that you save your file that you're creating. Again, this is similar to creating a Word document. We want to save it initially so that way you don't get all the way through your document and for some reason your computer freezes up or you lose power or for some weird reason your file gets corrupted. We don't want to have to start all over. So what we want to do is we want to make sure we save it to start and then save it periodically throughout the creation of our lesson on the notebook software. To save a file similar to Microsoft Word, what you're going to do is click File. You can choose Save or Save As. We're going to choose Save As. Now this is where it's important, those folders that we created earlier on Vol1, or if you've done it on a flash drive or your hard drive on your computer, this is where we're going to want to save these files at. That way we have one system in place to organize all these files and one central location to find all these files as well. I'm going to click Save As. I need to find that folder, so for that I need to find Vol1, Users, Teachers, find your name. Again, here's the folder that I created, which is titled Smart. I want to, this is going to, for example, if this is a math lesson, I want to put it in math. Let's say it's in Unit 1. And now I can title my Unit 1, if we're doing addition, I can title it 1.1 addition. And now this file is going to be saved in my math Unit 1 folder. Again, that's the first thing you want to do when you first get started with making a lesson, is to make sure that you start by saving it as in a central location, or in that folder that we created earlier, which will be, in this example that I did, was on Vol1, Smart, Math, Unit 1, and there you can see where my file has been created. Again, this was how to save a file after you open up Notebook software.